Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Brandy. How are y'all doing? Woo! We're back! Okay, I'm gonna stop being weird. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Brandy and today we are doing a 90s soft glam look. I just wanted to do something different. I'm in a normal sweater. It's cold outside. It's like in the 40s, so I want to be, you know, a little bit toasty. While drinking some refreshing horchata. Anyways, let's get started. So today, I already did my brows. Normally I do my brows on camera. Today, not so much. I feel like it takes a lot of time. I'm like a perfectionist when it comes to my brows. So I was like, let me do it off camera and then it'll be a little quicker. We are doing something that I don't think should take a long time, like a 90s soft glam look. So the first thing we're going to go in with is our concealer, and we are just going to put that all over the eyes just to prime it. And I'm just using a big blending brush. Some people use this brush for highlighting, but I'm just using it for my eyelid because it's just a quick blend. And now I am going in with a warm eyeshadow. I'm going with this middle color. Now I got this palette, I want to say a year ago at Miss A's, is that what it's called? Miss A's beauty store. And like everything's $1. And this palette was just 10 bucks. And for the price, I think this is a pretty good quality palette. And it's pretty opaque. The colors are really opaque. So I'm just blending that. And I'm gonna go in with, it looks like, if you've been rocking with MAC for a pretty long time, you'll probably know what I'm talking about. But this shade reminds me of Uninterrupted before it was discontinued. I'm not sure if they brought it back, but this is what it reminds me of. Excuse me, it is a tad bit broken because I was new in the depotting world and I didn't have a clue what I was doing. But I'm just putting this in my crease as well. This is just going to deepen it and kind of diffuse that warmth a bit so it's not too warm. And I'm going in with Embark, that middle color right there, and I'm going to put that on the outer V of my eyelid. Now I'm gonna go in with this, I think this is Sketch. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with Sketch right there. And this is the Burgundy x9 palette by MAC. And I just kind of want to put that close to my lash line. Give it a nice soft smoke. We are going to go in with this, it looks like a pink yogurt color. And I was thinking like, oh yeah, that'd be like super cute on the eyelid. Cause I don't know if y'all remember, but shimmer on the eyelids was a thing in the 90s, but it wasn't like the thing. It was still like matte eyelids. So I'm just putting it right there where there is no eyeshadow. are going in with our liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to do a straight line across. And now I am going in with some beige, what color is this? Risque Technical Liner. This is by MAC. I don't even know if we still, if you have the ring, you know what that means. Anyways, I'm going in with my waterline just to open up my eyes. Oh, like they're not already open. But I'm not going all the way in, I'm just stopping when I get towards the inside. Now I am going to smudge a little bit of that sketch up under my eyelid. So now I am going in with two tinted moisturizers, the Everyhue Beauty, which I've been using quite a bit on this channel. It is just now too red. I like this one, but I hate that it is so gray on me. Versus this one, I like this one too, but it's just a little too red. So mix these together and I'll get more of a golden undertone with this. Now I am going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Toffee. Just something to really brighten up under my eyes. I normally go in with the Maybelline, but this time I thought the under eyes is, you know, is key. So now I'm going to set my whole face with the Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish Powder. And of course, you know I'm going in with the Old Faithful Contour and Highlighting Powder Duo by LA Pro. And I'm going in with the Dark Golden Mineralized Powder to set up under my eyes. And On in with the old school gold deposit. So I don't have any wispy lashes, so we are going to use the individual lashes, which are pretty easy to put on, so it's just going to probably take me a good 2 minutes for both eyes, because I'm going to mainly focus on the outer corner. Alright, so last but not least, we are going to go ahead and do our brown lip liner and the lip gloss. If you know, you know, this was a staple in the 90s black community. You gotta have that chocolate lip liner and that lip gloss. And I'm so happy that it's coming back. Oh, I'm so happy. Trying to blend it in that brown at the bottom, because my bottom lip is actually pink. And now we spray our face. Alrighty, that is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I really do like this look. I don't know if I am a fan of the lashes, but they will do because I didn't have wispy lashes, surprisingly. All the wispy lashes I did have, I used them all on my clients this weekend, so these will have to do for now. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little cute video on how to do a 90s classic soft glam. And yeah, make sure you like and subscribe and share the video. And I will be posting videos every Tuesday, so be sure to hit that notification bell so you can know when I have uploaded that day. So until next time, have fun and chase after your dreams.